Welcome. If your Snapchat feels a bit cluttered or you just want to free up some space, clearing your local lens data is a quick and easy fix. This process removes saved lens files from your device without affecting your account, so it's a safe way to keep things running smoothly. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where all your account settings are accessible. Next, find the settings icon in the top right corner. It looks like a small gear. Tap on it to open your settings menu. Now, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Privacy Control. Under this section, look for the option called Lenses and tap on it. This is where Snapchat manages all the lens-related data stored on your device. Once you're inside, you'll see an option that says Clear Local Lens Data. Tap on that. Snapchat will then ask you to confirm your choice just to make sure you didn't tap it by accident. Go ahead and confirm, and that's it.